5 easy side hustle ideas that will make money as soon as possible in 2022. In the last video, we talked about the freelancing skills that will make you rich in 2022. Today, we are going to talk about the side hustle ideas that will make money as soon as possible in 2022. Hello my dear audience, welcome to my new video. Okay, you know you can supplement your income or launch a side business without leaving your current job. So why not you start your side hustle and make money passively? Before moving to the ways to make side income, ensure that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. To register for a free webinar and discover how to launch a highly scalable and high conversion online business, click the link in the description below. It's possible to supplement your regular income with some extra work outside of regular business hours. You can increase your income, which will free you to do things you love, satisfy your material needs and wants, and alleviate stress. The reality is that regular employment from 9 to 5 typically falls short of financial needs, and especially if you're just getting your professional footing. It's possible that after paying for necessities like housing, food, utilities, and transportation, you won't have much money left over. What a letdown. The worst part is that there is an inherent limit to how much money you can earn. If your annual salary is $30,000, a one-person raise could net you a bonus of a few $100s. But is that really sufficient to make your dreams a reality? Possibly, though I highly doubt it. Here is a list of 5 of the best part-time jobs ordered by hourly wage and potential earnings. Online tutoring. The most obvious benefit of online tutoring is its accessibility. You have some say in how often and when the tutoring sessions occur, for instance. Sessions can be as frequent or infrequent as you like. That's why it's a fantastic and simple option for a side gig. International and undergraduate students of any age or background are a potential clientele. Plus, you can set up lessons for a wide range of subjects including typical academic fields such as science and mathematics. Using instruments to create music, a formalized approach to religious instructions, teaching non-native speakers of English and native speakers of other languages. Average salary per hour, $100. Freelance graphic designing. Freelancing is a great option for those with experience in graphic design. Many businesses and people rely on artists to help them realize their ideas. Logos, project posters, business cards, and even illustrated stories can all benefit from the talents of a graphic designer. Furthermore, you can complete all this without leaving your house. You already have everything you need to get started if you have access to either a graphics tablet or editing software. Average salary per hour, $29. Start your own YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is a great side business idea that can help you bring in extra cash every month through social media. You can vlog your daily life, create reaction videos, or record educational videos to share with the world. Previously mentioned flight attendant Delworth, whose YouTube channel earned around $3,000 per month, claims that 60% of this revenue comes from affiliate links on his videos. The remaining 40% comes from AdSense, a program run by YouTube that gives creators a percentage of the advertising revenue generated by their channels, as well as paid partnerships and inquiries about private training. Delworth claims that YouTube was instrumental in the development of his online business by connecting him with potential customers. If you're looking for a way to express yourself creatively and would like to build an audience and potential revenue stream, consider making videos and posting them on social media sites like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Making money through online platforms can be a fantastic way to get some of the financial pressure off your shoulders. You decide to embark on a new endeavor in order to bring in extra $100 or $1,000 every month. It is something that can increase your financial gain immediately, tomorrow, or in the next 5 years. Average salary per hour, $28.9. Accept jobs on Upwork. Many people who are looking for remote work use Upwork. There is probably someone on the platform looking for someone with your skills, whether you can write blog posts, enter data, edit audio, make social media posts, or proofread. With so many different types of job available, Upwork is ideal for those who already have full-time jobs but are looking for additional income. If a project doesn't pique your interest, you don't waste your time bidding on it. What's more, you get to work on your own timetable and finish projects whenever you like. Upwork's significant cut of your earnings is the service's main drawback. Freelancers just starting out on Upwork can anticipate seeing 20% go to the platform. This percentage decreases as more work is completed for the same client. Transferring the funds they collect to you is also an additional cost. To make offers on jobs listed on Upwork, you will also need credits. Monthly credits are provided, but extras can be purchased if desired. Freelancers can earn more money whenever their proposals or interviews are accepted. Websites like Freelancer, Solid Gigs, and TopTool are comparable to Upwork. A user can create an account sometimes after being accepted and search for contract work they can complete on their own schedule. Start your own blog. People who want to build a sustainable online business as a side hustle may want to consider starting a blog as one of their options, even though it's unlikely that you will make money from your blog on day one unless you already have an audience. A well-planned blog can generate an ongoing revenue stream. This is especially true if you have advertising on your blog. The income of prolific bloggers can come from a variety of sources. If you're interested in turning this activity into a side business, you have many options available to you for expansion, ranging from paid partnerships and products to affiliate marketing and advertising. The most important thing is to create a respected brand name that people can relate to and look up to. Because blog posts can be written in advance and published at a later date, it is not difficult to keep up a steady stream of posts even while working a full-time job. You have the potential to make anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s every single month, all depend on how hard you work. The most appealing feature is that anyone can initiate the creation of a blog right away. Because of the abundance of resources that are currently available online, creating your first blog has never been simpler than it is right now. The initial investment is not overly significant either. The fact that you have to put in work before you can start making money is the most significant disadvantage. A blogger can expect to make an average of $19.60 per hour. The extra cash from a side gig is always welcome and the experience is fun. Do your homework and carefully consider every potential side gig. The next step is to pick a side gig that complements your lifestyle and long-term goals. One secondary source of income has the potential to both supplement one's primary income and develop into a more substantial enterprise. You can get ahead financially by taking advantage of side jobs. So, what are you waiting for? Start your side earning today and make yourself financially sound and strong. Remember to click the link in the description below to learn more about building a profitable and scalable internet business, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next video. We'll meet up in the subsequent lessons. Thank you for viewing.